family, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to hairstyle, my go-to bun. This hairstyle never let me down. And in one of my recent video, I think that was my house tour, one of my subscribers recommended that I show you guys how to do this hairstyle. It is very simple. If I'm just doing this hairstyle without me filming, it takes me between 5 to 10 minutes. But since I'm filming, I don't know how long it's going to take because I have to show you guys everything. So let's just get on with the video. The first thing you will need is some kind of liquid. You can even just use water. But here I got my aloe vera juice mixed with water. And then I got my Secret Growth Oil. This is my 21 Growth Oil ingredient. And then you will need just a little hair tie, a little rubber band. This band that I got on the pack, they said it will actually break first before it breaks your hair. So I got that. And then to top it up, you can add some accessories to it. It depends how you want it to look. But I got so many different accessories in here. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do add it to it. And then this is my gold hair tie. Now, I will try to leave most of these things that I'm showing you guys down in the description box. And then I will also add it to my Amazon store, just in case if you guys want to purchase it. But this is just a gold string and it's a lot of it. So I normally just cut the one that I want to use and just play around with it. So the first thing I normally do, okay, one more thing. You will need a hair tie. So I just got this long black hair tie to hold my hair first. So that's all. That's all you will need. It's very simple, and this is a unique style. You can also play around with it, do different things with it. So I got my spray bottle here. I'm just going to first saturate my hair in this because my hair is very dry, and I'm not sure I said yesterday, but that's how type full hair is, especially since I haven't washed it for a while now. So I'm just going to saturate it with some of this juice. Adding my aloe vera juice on my hair, I just love to work it in and also just pull the hair where I want the bun to sit. Now I want this bun to sit somewhere here, so I'm just going to, this is the back, pull the back forward. And then just loosen up some of the tangles a bit because it is very tangled up and dry. And doing this, it also gives me some length because I'm not adding in any fake hair. I'm using only my natural hair. So I'm just going to keep pulling it a bit, trying to massage the aloe vera juice into my hair. After pulling it to where I want the bun to sit, I'm just going to now take my tire Then I'm just going to start to pull it again to the extent that I want it to be. If you want to use gel, that's fine, but I normally don't use gel. I just use my moisturizer and my oil. After that, I'm now just going to hold it up and then just play with it until I love the way the bun is looking. This is where your little rubber band come in, and then I'm just going to grab just the ends of it, not too much of it, because I want all the hair to stay in so that the bun can look very big. So I'm just going to grab the rubber band, tie it one time, two times, that's it, and then just tuck this part in. I hope you guys can see. So this is how it's looking. Tuck it underneath. Then I'm just going to play with it until I see that it's sitting the way I want it to sit. And then I grab my gold tie, just stick it anywhere under. And then you can now be very, very creative with this part. You can wrap it around how you want it to look. You can also wrap it around your hair. Wrap it around the bun. So far, that's how it is looking. Let me show you guys the back of it. Now you can also add as much gold tar that you want, or you can add as little as you want. So I'm just going to add some until I get the way I want my bun to look, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. So this is step one. This is how the bun is looking. So I'm going to show you guys another way. This is the way that I normally wear it as well. So I'm just going to cut a little piece from here. My hair is very, very tangled up, so I need to take my time. so this is the final look of this hairstyle. Let me just spin around a bit for you guys to see it. And yes, I'm loving it. So this is my simple DIY bun hairstyle that I always use. If you're familiar with my channel, you guys know I love this hairstyle. And there are so many ways you can also tweak this. Also, you can also just pull these two twists and just leave it hanging. You can also send it to the back. This one is at the front. So yes, just play around with it and be very creative. And I think I have to go out with this hairstyle. Anyway, if you love this video, can you please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.